Welcome to the Natural Life Animals channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of a small but charismatic bird, the bluetit. The bluetit, also known as the blue tit, is a small songbird belonging to the tit family. With its vibrant blue and yellow plumage, it's one of the most beloved birds across Europe. Bluetits are small, measuring about 12 centimeters in length. They sport a striking blue cap and wings, a yellow belly, and a distinctive black stripe across their eyes. Their large, dark eyes give them a charming appearance. Bluetits thrive in a variety of habitats including broadleaf forests, gardens, and parks. They're adaptable birds, equally at home in rural and urban environments. Bluetits are energetic and intelligent birds. They build nests in tree cavities or nest boxes. Breeding occurs in spring, with each clutch typically containing 6 to 12 eggs. Both parents play a role in feeding and raising the chicks. Bluetits have a varied diet that includes insects, spiders, seeds, and fruits. They're especially beneficial in gardens as they consume pests harmful to plants, contributing to natural pest control. Did you know bluetits are highly adaptable and clever? They've been observed learning to open milk bottle caps to access cream. This showcases their remarkable ability to adapt and learn in their environment. Bluetits play a crucial role in ecosystems and bring joy to people. Protecting them means safeguarding our natural world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of bluetits. If you enjoyed learning about these birds and want more wildlife insights, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Together, let's protect nature and its incredible creatures. You've been watching the Natural Life Animals channel. See you next time in our upcoming videos.